The LawnMaster VBRM16 Robotic Lawnmower is our first robotic lawnmower with a camera that removes the need for a boundary wire. In this video we will demonstrate how the mower operates and how you can modify your garden to get the best performance from your mower. The VBRM16 uses a camera combined with two ultrasonic sensors to navigate around your garden. The camera detects the difference between surface textures, for example grass or paving, and the ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles higher than 6 centimeters, such as plants, garden furniture, walls and fences. To keep the mower within the lawn area, your lawn must be bordered on all sides by a visually distinctive border. This can be a flat border of paving, gravel or wooden boards, or a raised edge such as border edging, walls or fences. The VBRM16 is designed to mow smaller gardens with lawns of up to 100 square metres due to the size of the mower and the battery capacity. The cutting area may be extended with extra batteries. The VBRM16 has a semi-random mowing pattern. This means it will take longer to fully cover all areas if the lawn size is larger than recommended. This garden is well set up for the VBRM16 to operate within and requires no adjustments in order for the mower to work well. The lawn is small, approximately 45 square metres, and is surrounded on all sides by either hard flat borders at least 35 centimetres wide or raised edges. The only preparation needed is to trim all the edges with a grass trimmer so that the mower can see the edges well and isn't stopped by any longer grass. If your grass is fairly long, it's a good idea to start the mower on a higher height of cut for the first mow and adjust it down on subsequent mowings. This garden is also a good size for the VBRM16 at around 60 square metres, but the lawn edges will need some modification to prevent the mower leaving the lawn area. This can be done in one of two ways. Either by installing a flat border between the grass and the flower bed, such as paving or gravel at least 35 centimetres wide, or this can be done by installing a raised edge such as this log roll edging. Other examples may be sleepers, low brick walls or other sturdy plastic border edging at least 6 centimetres high. Check that the lawn surface is clear of any tools, sticks, stones, toys and other obstacles which may damage the blades or undercarriage. Remove the battery from the charger and insert it into the mower. Insert the safety key. The safety key doubles up as an on-off switch and can be removed and reinserted to reset the machine when needed. Press the on start button and wait for the battery indicator to turn green and the mower to beep. This gives the camera time to warm up and any attempts to start the mower sooner will result in an error. Once the mower has beeped, long press the auto mow button and then press start. The mower will begin to mow in a random pattern and will continue to mow until it runs out of charge. If the mower has missed any patches of lawn, these can be cut using the spot cut function. To use this function, make sure the machine is powered on. Place the mower on the patch to be cut and long press the spiral button, then press start. The mower will cut in a spiral out from where it was placed on the lawn, cutting any remaining grass it may have missed. When the mower has finished, remove the battery and place it back on charge for next time. Clean the mower underside with a clean dry brush and store it in a dry place. The mower should only be used in the daytime so that the camera can easily see the lawn surface and should be placed into storage between uses. We hope you enjoy sitting back to relax while your LawnMaster VBRM16 does all the work.